Ark Innovation and Ark Genomic, two of Cathie Wood's investment vehicles, have invested in Ginkgo. Additionally, she currently owns millions of shares of DNA. Let's discuss. Ark Invest Cathie Wood top stocks. Best time to buy. Cathie Wood Ark Innovation Exchange Traded Funds, ETF, are the primary investment income stream of the Ark Invest investment firm. Following 5 years of outstanding returns from her innovation-focused theme exchange traded funds, Cathie Wood and Ark Invest attracted a lot of attention. However, in 2021, the Nasdaq outperformed the Ark Innovation ETF by a significant margin. In contrast to the Nasdaq's 21.4% gain for the year, the Ark closed down 24%. This underperformance persisted into 2022, with the Ark ETF falling more than 59% through September 22nd, in contrast to the Nasdaq's 29.3% decline over the same time frame. However, after the second quarter of 2022, Wood managed a stock portfolio with a value of around $17 billion. Because she believes in innovation, Wood has made sizable investments in companies including Tesla Inc., Shopify, and Nvidia Corporation. The top 10 assets represent over 46% of the portfolio's entire value. Not only did Wood attract a lot of attention, but they also bought shares in Shopify, which we'll be looking into in a moment. Stay glued. Financial guidance from a qualified professional is not available on this channel. Before making any trade decisions, conduct your research. Tesla stock. Even though Tesla's stock price fell, Cathie Wood's faith in Elon Musk's eccentric vehicle startup hasn't diminished. Instead, Cathie Wood Ark Investment Management has increased its stake and contributed an additional $35 million to the enterprise, buying little less than 50,000 shares to its already Tesla-heavy portfolio. In any case, with just under 10% of its Ark Innovation ETF's weight, Tesla remains Ark's most significant position. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you don't want to lose track of our content. There seems to be no reason people shouldn't have faith in the company as long as Cathie Wood does. Shopify. Shopify, a Canadian e-commerce business, was purchased in sections by Ark Invest. Delivery was just purchased by Shopify, which will speed up the Shopify Fulfillment Network, SFN development. The $10.5 billion worth of Shopify shares was purchased by Ark's flagship fund, the Ark Innovation ETF. Amid financial uncertainties and the return to normalcy following the pandemic, the e-commerce company's stock price has fallen by nearly 78% year to date. Shopify accounts for around 2.68% of Ark's assets following the most recent transactions. In light of this, it seems reasonable that Wood decided to invest more in Shopify. Nvidia. After the gaming-focused chipmaker warned it probably missed earning estimates last quarter, Cathie Wood's Ark Invest spent a fortune on shares of Nvidia, increasing its stake in a high-priced investment even as an increasing number of semiconductor stocks cautioned that the falling market situation will probably result in revenue shortfalls this year. Including its flagship Ark Innovation ETF, purchased a total of 366,982 shares of Nvidia, which, based on the stock's closing price, represents an investment worth about $65 million. This information was revealed by Ark's daily transaction reports. Nvidia is one of Ark's top 25 most valuable assets, with 763,867 shares valued at approximately $136 million in its flagship fund. Cathie Wood says, "If you want great things to happen in your career, think big, focus on the future, double down on innovation." The deals were announced on the same day Nvidia released its preliminary results report, which predicted $8.1 billion in revenue, but expects revenue to have fallen by 19% to $6.7 billion in the most recent quarter. Again, nothing shown in this video should be interpreted as professional financial advice. Always conduct your research before investing. What is also approximately 106 million shares of Ginkgo in total, which are currently valued at roughly, hold on. Ark Invest didn't stop things by owning 366,982 shares of Nvidia. After Uipath, let's discuss it. Uipath Inc. System software provider Uipath Inc. provides an end-to-end automation platform. The business strives to offer various robotic process automation solutions in the US, Romania, and Japan. On 7th of July, Kingsley Crane at Canaccord assumed coverage with a buy rating on shares of Uipath Inc., and the analyst also gave the stock a $25 price objective. Out of 24 hedge funds along the stock, Ark Investment Management held the most prominent position in Uipath Inc. as of the second quarter. Nearly half of the $1.3 billion in stakes held by hedge funds, or 37.6 million shares, were held by Wood's fund, valued at approximately $641 million. Ginkgo Bioworks Holdings, DNA. Ginkgo Bioworks specializes in designing living cells, or designer microbes, for use in a wide range of scientific and industrial purposes. For his memory loss, a friend purchased Ginkgo biloba, but he never remembered to take it. All of our stuff is educational. Please research before investing. Do not rely on any information we provide as legal, tax, or investment advice. On 17 September 2021, Ginkgo entered the public markets through a SPAC transaction. Since then, the stock has dropped by 76%. Despite continuously exceeding projections for revenues over the previous year, the company has produced net losses in each of its quarterly reports. This caught Cathie Wood's attention. Through Ark Innovation and Ark Genomic, two of her investment funds, she invested in Ginkgo. She currently owns 78.882 million shares of DNA in the former, a rise of 5.26 million shares this month. Wood increased her investment in the later stock to 27.439 million this month by purchasing 3.57 million additional shares. Wood owns about 106 million shares of Ginkgo in total, which are currently valued at over $305 million. You still don't get why Cathie Wood Ark Invest has so much hope in Tesla? Wait till you hear about what they say about Tesla's Q3 moves in our next video. Cathie Wood massive update about Tesla stock Q3 moves, Ark Invest Tesla news. Thank you for watching.